Hi friends, today I'm going to try to use this Zojirushi. This is not a sponsored video. This is machine to cook rice cake. Rice cake, okay? Yung in Tagalog, it's malagkit. In Japanese, it's mochi. So this is mochitsuki. A machine to cook rice cake. Okay, so this is my first time to use it, and I want to use it because I wanted to make a Chuka gohan. Later I'll show you. Okay, so for today, this is my first time making this one. This is Chuka okową. If you know how to say this in Tagalog or in English, please comment down below, okay? Its name in Chinese, it's Yufang. Okay? So, sorry if my pronunciation is not good, okay? So, I'm basically following this instruction, okay? I soak the mochigome. This is for 10 hours, okay? And then you have to change the water from time after washing. You have to change the water from time to time, okay? And then for ingredients, beforehand I made yakibuta pork, okay? And then this is 1/2 dice, 1/2 carrots, and then this is about 150 to 200 grams of takenoko, bamboo, okay? And then this one is 4 pieces of shiitake. And then you usually use the green onion, I think it's called leek, okay? So but I can't find it, so I'm using spring onion instead. Half of this, half of spring onion, okay? And then we're going to use 3 tablespoons of sake and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And this is very important. It's in okay, I'm just going to read it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe it's Wu Xiang Fen, okay? In Japanese, it's this one. Can you see? Wu Xiang Fen, okay? It's, I think, 5 spices, okay? This is very important for making Chinese braised pork like that, okay? Or lulo. I use this for lulo hang, okay? So we are going to use this. Okay, so let's just follow this recipe book, okay? Okay, so we're going to start, okay? And I forgot, we also need 200 cc of liquid that we got from the shiitake, okay? So we will need this one, okay? Now, what we're going to do is, I think, we're just simply going to saute everything, okay? Bango na niya. Wait a minute. That's too hot. Okay, ready? We're going to, whoa! We're going to saute everything, okay? And we also need hoshi ebi, dried shrimp. Nako, yun pala yun. I forgot that. So we're going to need dried shrimp. Okay? Yun na. Halo-halo lang natin. And then we're going to use this one. Ang dami pala nito. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. I forgot to say the amount of mochigome that we're going to use is about 4 cups, okay? And then we're going to put the soy sauce. Just like this. Ay, naku, ang dali lang pala nito. Maybe I'm going to make one more of this. Okay, excited na ako. And then, this one, okay? My favorite. You need this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love this. Medyo madami. And then we are going to mix. Okay. We have to wait. Okay, try na natin. Okay. Okay. And then so we're going to put this 200. We're going to put 200 milliliter of dashi, hoshi shiitake, and egg, dried shrimp, dashi, and then we kinakabahan ako because I really don't know how to make this one. And then we're going to mix this. Yes? Okay. Nako. First time. Okay lang. Even if we make mistake, we're going to put it. Okay. And then we're going to mix it. We are going to steam this. We just need the rice to absorb the umami, ne? Okay, we're just going to wait for it to dry a little bit. Pwede na to. Okay. Good. While we're waiting for the vegetables to soften a little bit, we're going to put 300 cc of water inside the machine, okay? Inside here. Okay? Then we need 300 cc. Okay, so we need 100 more. Okay, and then we are going to put this one like that, and then this is also my first time to do this, and this one cap. And then we're going to put this one here. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Okay. Wait. Okay. And then maybe this one is okay. 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 And then, na. Ito. Ano ba to? Mabigat. Too heavy. Next, too heavy. Abunai. Ochichao. Ii desu ka? Irimasu yo. Hai. Skoshi tsutsu ireru ne. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but this is my first time. I'm allowed to make mistake. Yupu. Yeah. Mo. Yeah. 結構重たい。うわ、いい匂いだけど。わお。どうかな？ Okay, and then どうすればいい？スタートだけ？ちょっと待って。少々待ってください。じゃあ、ちょっと待って。We need to clean this up. Okay, sayang. Okay. Ready なこ。これだけ？これだけ？あら。これどうやって？はい。そして、お、はい。で、これを、そして、we're going to push this one, musu. It means steam, okay? Ayan, ito. Push lang daw yan. Ayun na. Okay, and let's wait. Whoops.
Friends,
Wow.
I hope you liked today's recipe, and again, this is my first time using this machine, and I hope to share more of its recipe. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for more videos. See you on my next one, and mata ne!